I have been creating content since 2019, and if you want to become a successful content creator in 2026, there are a few habits you need to start building soon. I wish someone told me this before I started, because these several habits would have saved me so much time and effort. Starting with habit number 1, block your time for creating content. Time blocking will help you to create content faster because you will be working on a single task without any distractions. Depending on your workload and how much free time you have, you can block 1 hour every single day, or you can block multiple hours but several days in a week, not every single day. For example, if you can post 1 video per week, you can create the content on Sundays, you can edit on Tuesdays, and you can publish the content on Thursdays. Okay, habit number 2, capture ideas daily. When you start creating content regularly, sometimes it becomes difficult to come up with new video ideas every single time. But when you can build this habit of collecting new video ideas every single day, then you will never run out of content ideas. When a good idea comes into your mind, or maybe you hear or see a good idea, make sure to note it down to your phone. And especially when you are consuming content on social media, and when you see a great video idea that you can use in your own videos, then make sure to click on the save button, and later you can come back and you will find a collection of great video ideas that you have collected before. Alright, the next habit you should develop is to keep your files organized. When you start to create content regularly, your files will become messy very quickly. You will have your footage, your clips, the audio files, visuals, B-rolls, everything all over the place. To keep them organized, make simple folders and name what these folders include. So later, while you edit your videos, everything will become much easier to find and less stressful. Most beginners waste hours looking for files, but the workflow of an organized creator is much easier and faster. Habit number 4, learn to use AI. If you want to create content faster with less effort, you need to start using AI. There are several AI tools you can use for content creation, but even starting with ChatGPT will be very helpful. Everything you need to write, your video descriptions, tags, hooks, scripts, outlines, you will do that with ChatGPT. You don't need advanced AI skills, just use ChatGPT as your creative assistant, and it will save you significant time and effort. And habit number 5, improve one small thing in every video. Everyone is giving the same advice, be consistent. Actually, being consistent alone won't be enough if you are not improving your content. Don't try to fix everything at once, that would be overwhelming. But on every single video, you can improve one thing. In one video, it can be your video hook. In the next video, it can be your pacing. And in the next one, you will improve your storytelling and so on. Even these small improvements you will make to your content will help you to become a better, a more successful content creator. So these are just some quick tips I can give you to create better content. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you need more tips about content creation, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.